Today we're taking a closer look at the Jeep licensed by TruShield Element tinted window visors for the front and rear of the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. Now these are going to be perfect for those Gladiator owners who want to crack their windows for some fresh air, whether it's raining or not, without worrying about getting any water in the cab. Whether you're trying to reduce the interior heat buildup or cut down on that wind noise, or just a little bit more ventilation during a downpour, these visors have got you covered. These visors are designed to give you a little bit of airflow while help keeping out the rain by giving you a lip over the window for some added protection. Their aerodynamic design helps cut wind noise and reduce that sun glare while maintaining a low profile look that doesn't disrupt that factory styling of your Gladiator. Each visor is going to be precision molded for a snug and secure fit and features a smoked tint that looks clean and aggressive at the same time. And with this Jeep logo officially licensed and etched into the visor, they give your ride that extra touch of factory custom style. These visors are made from durable automotive grade acrylic, and that's going to hold up against daily abuse and daily driving while resisting cracking and fading from the UV exposure. The smoked finish isn't just for the looks, it's also going to help block a bit of that sun on the edge of the window from coming in the side of the windows. The overall build is lightweight but strong at the same time, and the fitment is exact, so there's no need to worry about it flopping or rattling around as you drive. The quality is on point, and the material should hold up for the long haul, even with the regular exposure to the elements. Now, as far as pricing goes on these visors, they're coming in that low 100s price range, and that's going to be a solid value for a set of all 4 visors with a custom fit and that added touch with the officially branded Jeep logos. Now, installation on these is a straightforward peel and stick, so we're rating this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. You can have these installed in 30 minutes or less of your time if everything goes smooth. These install with this pre-applied automotive grade 3M tape, so just clean that area really well, peel the backing, and press them into place. Now let's see exactly how that process goes with an install video from one of our extreme terrain customers.
What's included in the box is the window channels with the sticky material already applied to it, so it's ready to be installed onto your vehicle. Also needed for the installation is a bottle of Windex, alcohol, some type of pry tool, and paper towels so that you can clean the window channels so that the window visors can properly stick to it. Welcome to the installation of the Jeep licensed by TruShield Element tinted window visors front and rear for the 2020 to the 2025 Jeep Gladiator JT. First thing we want to do in this installation is take your bottle of Windex, spray down your windows, and let's get your windows nice and clean. I've already pre-cleaned all the windows so that way we can keep the video moving forward. The next thing you're going to want to do is first lower all of your windows. Then you're going to take your pry bar tool, a paper towel, and your alcohol, fold it around there because this is how we're going to clean inside of our window channels. Spray some alcohol on there and get it right into your window channels, getting any dirt and debris off of there so that the adhesive can stick to there. Then you start taking off your adhesive backing. Once all the adhesive backing has been taken off, you're going to start with your front window with this curvature facing forward. When you go to install it, you're going to start with the rear, slowly squeeze it in because you don't want to push it, and it should really not acquire too much pressure to put this in. Give it a little bend and it should squeeze right in there. Once you get it nice and situated and fit it in there, you're going to want to roll your window all the way up. Make sure you give it a little push before making sure that it's completely in. And get it all the way up there nice and tight. Now, with it in there nice and tight, you were supposed to leave it in there for at least 24 hours so that the pressure on the window could keep the pressure on that adhesive so that it could dry and properly stick so that you can have days and days of your tinted window visor. Next, we move on to the rear window. Already cleaning the window, we're still going to spray alcohol on our paper towel and clean into these window channels so they can be clean for the next application. As you can see how dirty it can actually be. Next, take your window visor and start taking off the adhesive protection. Doing the same with the curvature facing forward, you're going to slowly get this in there and it should fit right in there nice and snug. Next step will be to roll up your windows. Once you get a little bit closer, you want to make sure that that's nice and snug and fit in where it needs to be. Make sure you close it all the way up, leaving all the pressure to push the adhesive onto your track so that it can glue and settle. And as the first window, leave it up for over 24 hours so that it can properly dry and cure.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Jeep licensed by TruShield Element Tinted Window Visors for the front and rear of the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.